My name is Dragon Redbeard, and this is What's Next, day number 6. Calendar shows that it's a rest day, but we don't do that kind of thing around here. I got a bunch of wonderful suggestions as to what kind of exercise to do on this rest day. So today, it's range and repair. Let's give it a go. Well, that was range and repair. It was interesting, in kind of a good way. I mean, a whole bunch of new stretches. That's some good stuff. I like the variety. Make sure you like, comment, and share any of my videos that you happen to see, and we'll continue to find out what's next tomorrow.